Samsung unveiled several new laptops at CES 2018, and we hope they make it across the pond to Europe and the UK. The Notebook 9 and 9 Pen are handsome laptops, but they won't worry the likes of the Dell XPS or HP Envy when it comes to looks. It's nowhere near as crisply designed, it looks more functional than stylish. It also doesn't attempt to beat those laptops when it comes to paper-like thinness. Instead, Samsung has opted for a more rugged take, combining magnesium and aluminium to create a tough, yet light, chassis. The 13.3-inch Notebook 9 and 9 Pen weigh a fraction less than 1 kilogram, but pack a 360-degree Full HD touchscreen, an 8th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and a host of connectivity options. In the case of the Notebook 9, you get a mammoth 75 watt-hours battery, and the option of a 15-inch model that includes a discrete GPU. The Notebook 9 Pen gets a more modest 39 watt-hours battery but brings the additional functionality of an integrated S Pen to the mix. As a 2-inch -1, the Pen 9 makes a lot of sense. It feels like a proper laptop with a responsive backlit keyboard and precision touchpad.